In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown sales timer and quantity bar to your WordPress WooCommerce store. If you're looking to create a sense of urgency for your customers and boost conversions, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a countdown timer and a stock quantity bar to enhance your product pages, encouraging buyers to act fast. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll guide you step by step, breaking everything down clearly and concisely. So let's get started. First, let's begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Think of your dashboard as the central hub of your website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the plugins menu on the left-hand side, hover over it, and you'll see an option to add new. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the plugin repository, it's time to search for the plugin we'll be using today. In the search bar, type in Finale Lite. This is the tool that will help you create your countdown timer and quantity bar. Once it appears in the list of results, click Install and then Activate. This process is quick and straightforward, and activating the plugin ensures it's ready to use on your site. With the plugin now active, you'll notice that a default campaign has already been created for you. This is a great starting point because you won't have to set everything up from scratch. Go ahead and click on Edit to begin customizing your campaign. This is where you can tailor the settings to fit your specific goals. The first thing you'll want to do is set the start and end dates for your campaign. This is important because it establishes the time frame for your sales event. Choose dates that align with your promotional strategy, whether it's for a limited time flash sale or a seasonal offer. Next, navigate to the discount section. Here, you can enable the discount feature and specify the discount amount you'd like to offer. For example, you might set a 5% discount for the products featured in this campaign. Discounts are a fantastic way to incentivize customers to purchase quickly. After setting up the discount, head over to the inventory section. Enable the inventory tracking feature, and then decide whether you want to use a custom stock quantity or your existing stock quantity. If you choose the custom option, be sure to set the quantity value to reflect how many items you want to display as available. This step is key for creating a realistic sense of urgency. Now, let's look at a few additional settings in the inventory section. For Calculate Sold Units, select Current Occurrence. This ensures the sold units reflect the current campaign's activity. For out-of-stock products, select No, and for End Campaign, also select No. These options help keep your campaign running smoothly without interruptions. Next, it's time to configure the visual elements. Go to the Elements section and enable the countdown timer. Once it's visible, you can adjust its position to suit your product page layout. Placing it below the short description is often a great choice. Then, choose a skin type for the timer, such as Not Filled or Higher Square Ghost. Once you're happy with these settings, click Update and refresh your product page to see how the timer looks in action. Now head back to the Elements section to enable the product counter bar. Just like the timer, you can adjust its position. Below the short description is a popular choice. Choose a skin type that aligns with your design, such as animated or edge smooth. You can also set the direction of the counter bar, for instance, right to left, and customize the active color to match your website's theme. These small design tweaks ensure the counter blends seamlessly with your store. Finally, click Update once again and refresh your product page. You should now see both the countdown timer and the product quantity bar displayed beautifully, creating a dynamic and engaging shopping experience for your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully added a countdown timer and quantity bar to your WooCommerce store. These tools can significantly enhance your product pages and encourage your customers to take action quickly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.